Step 1. Get jar. Step 2. Get dirt. Good job. Step 3. Put dirt in bottle. Step 3. Put dirt in bottle. Good job. Step 5. Write on paper. Step 6. Stab paper with dual knives. Step 7. Spill the tea. Place paper in tea. Step 10. Take paper out of tea. Good job. Step 11. Montage. Step 12. Remove some dirt from the bottle. You've put too much in. Step 13. Put paper in jar. Savvy? You should now have a jar of dirt. Good job!